Welcome in, YouTuber's Boneyard Garage. Today I am over at my father's house. We used to work on small engines for a long time. And this is his shop that he used to work in. He hasn't been working in about 8 years. So when you see some of my stuff, I come here and I get it. It's just got a lot of stuff all over the place. A lot of old blades. Well, they're new, but they're old. Hanging up, and some belts. Some weed eaters and hedge clippers and power washers. There's some old lapping machines for the lock reel mowers. He used to work on a lot of those. He used to have a grinder that actually sharpened the bed knives and the reels and everything. He don't have that anymore. And this part up here is an old house trailer that my grandmother and grandfather used to stay in before they built a house. And when my parents got the house, my dad made the trailer a garage, and then he added on this section here where I'm standing. And that wall right there is actually the old doors from our local fire department. And he used the doors as the outside wall. It's kind of just falling in now and needs a lot of work. We're going to end up just ripping it down. So I've been taking a lot of stuff out of here, and there's a lot more. I've been trying to sell some of it, but a lot of people around here don't work on the older stuff other than me. So I know if some of you guys seen this, you'd be like, oh, I would like to have some of that stuff. Over there you got some chainsaw bars. Up here we're up in the trailer part. And you got some tires and wheels and more blades, more belts, more blades. Old power washer. Old pistons and some stuff. So I've been coming here and just getting stuff a little at a time. I was thinking about fixing this old shop up, but it's too far gone. Carburetors and some more backpack blowers, some old ones for parts. This was the furnace that he used to heat the shop. Worked on plenty of mini bikes and go-karts and tractors in here when I was a kid. So, if you've seen my last video, that fish that I had hung up in my little shop, it used to be hanging right here. There's another little section, and we still got Briggs Stratton parts in the boxes. And let's see if I can get this light to work. Where he kept his head gaskets. I took most of the gaskets home with me. And you got a lot of old chainsaw parts up here, clutches and recoil springs. But yeah, he had a lot of stuff. I mean, that's what he did. This is a brand new gas tank for 3.5 horse Briggs Stratton. But look at it, it's got a hole right there. I don't know how that got there. Over here you got some decompressor parts. Filters, I took a lot of them already. You still got a lot more stuff. And here, gas caps, the old screw-on gas caps. I already took 3 cases of those I got at home. Not too much demand for those anymore. Points and condensers, which I took a lot of already. And in here is, I don't know if you can see it. You really can't. Let's see if I can get the light. A lot of lock parts. The dog bones, the sprockets for the number 50 chain, pulleys. All kinds of old lock parts. Come over here. Under this bench, same thing. And if you look, here's the guards for the clutches, brand new with the pinstripe still on them. So I'm going to try to gather a lot of this stuff up, put it on eBay. I don't know if any of you guys that watch my videos are from Long Island, New York, and think you might need some of this stuff. You know, give me a shout out. Because a lot of it's just going to go to the scrap yard, and it's a shame. I can only keep so much. So yeah, it's a little tour of my dad's shop. I'm going to go in the house and see him. Just turned 84, April 9th. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Boneyards out.